In today's world, financial stability and generating additional income have become crucial to achieving our goals and realizing our dreams. While there is no magic formula for making money, there are plenty of smart strategies that, when executed wisely, can pave the path towards financial success. In this blog, we will explore some practical tips and proven methods to help you make money and boost your financial well-being. 1. Explore your skills and talents. Everyone possesses unique skills and talents that can be monetized. Take some time to identify your areas of expertise, hobbies, or special knowledge. Whether it's graphic design, writing, teaching, or even crafting, turning your skills into a side business or freelancing gig can provide an excellent opportunity to earn extra income. 2. Start an online business. In the digital era, starting an online business has become easier than ever before. Identify your niche and create a website or an online store to sell products, services, or digital content. Options range from dropshipping, online tutoring, consulting, or even affiliate marketing. Launching an e-commerce venture allows you to tap into the vast global market and leverage the power of the internet to make money. 3. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a lucrative way to grow your wealth over the long term. Begin by researching and learning about different investment strategies, or consider hiring a financial advisor. By analyzing market trends and making informed decisions, you can potentially see your money multiply, earning dividends and capital gains. 4. Utilize the power of real estate. Real estate investment offers a plethora of income-generating opportunities. Depending on your financial situation and resources, you can start by investing in rental properties, commercial spaces, or even participate in real estate investment trusts, REITs. The rental income and property appreciation can provide a steady stream of revenue while growing your wealth. 5. Explore the world of passive income. Passive income refers to earning money with minimal effort and time investment. There are various ways to generate passive income, such as creating and selling online courses, writing ebooks, starting a YouTube channel monetized through advertisements, or even investing in dividend-paying stocks. Research and choose the method most suited to your skills and resources. 6. Make the most of the gig economy. The gig economy is a rapidly growing sector that offers numerous opportunities to earn extra income. Platforms such as Uber, Lyft, TaskRabbit, or Freelancer allow individuals to leverage their time, skills, and resources in exchange for payment. Determine what you can offer and sign up on these platforms to earn money on your own schedule. 7. Cut expenses and save. While not a direct method of making money, cutting expenses and saving diligently can pave the way towards financial freedom. Analyze your monthly expenditures and find areas where you can make cuts without compromising your lifestyle. Dedicate a portion of your income to a savings account or explore investment options to grow your savings steadily. Making money requires initiative, dedication, and a willingness to explore different avenues. The strategies discussed in this blog are just a starting point to help you unlock your financial potential. Remember to set realistic goals, strategize carefully, and stay committed to financial growth. With time and effort, you can attain not only financial stability but also the ability to pursue your dreams and aspirations.